Could these people be put under formal investigation concerning Werfield? Why did he not come before? Or why did he not? Why was he not heard before? Right.
NBC or CBS to go start if you have to do our own work.
So when
Maître Curtil, can you tell us what you've requested to Judge Stephon? Why do you want the audition of more people in the case, in this particular case?
Well, as a matter of fact, the investigation is nearly over concerning the photographers, so I felt there are still some issues to be clarified, and that is concerning the directors of the Ritz, what they knew or what they did not know, what they can tell us of the facts.
What is the object of this demand? What are you looking for as far as information?
Only the truth, really. There are, however, issues concerning security problems, issues concerning possible pressures. I'm not saying there were any, but it's a possibility that there were some. And issues concerning also the drunkenness of the driver. Was he obviously drunk? Was he, to the knowledge of the Ritz, drunk, or was he not?
Is this for your client, for the client you're representing, for Trevor Rees Jones? Is this do you have an aim to try to get to try to pursue the directors of the Ritz for liability, to get some compensation for the accident?
Well, this is really too anticipated. We have no particular objective. It's only to find out what the truth is in this investigation.
Who in particular are you asking Judge Stephon to hear? Are there specific people at the Ritz?
The management of the Ritz.
And they have information that you believe has not been brought forward in this?
It's what we want to know.
Is there any link are you going to ask anybody else than the directors of the Ritz? Is there any other people who are involved in a whole sequence of events that you might be able to get information from?
For the moment, we have limited our request to the management of the Ritz.
As far as you mentioned security and pressures, what do you understand by security and pressures that they have come under?
Was the security system really respected? Was everything done so as to guarantee the security of the passengers, or was it not? And how should it have been respected if it wasn't?
The Ritz always claimed that they were not directly responsible for the car, as it didn't belong to them. It belonged to Elisa Limousine, I'm mistaken the name. It belonged to a company. It didn't belong a company foreign to the Ritz. Are you asking for more information from that company?
Yes, so far as they have any information on that.
And why haven't these people been brought? Why haven't these people participated in this investigation so far?
Well, they have participated, but not sufficiently to really clarify all the issues.
The fact that you are asking for further auditions today, is this any way linked to the confrontation that happened several weeks ago?
The confrontation was very different. The confrontation was concerning the photographers and their liability or possible liability. Photographers were confronted to witnesses, and it was really only concerning them, nothing else. So it's quite different.
So the outcome of this confrontation has brought you to think that has it brought you to think that there's either responsibility than that was first given?
It's not only in the confrontation, it's the whole investigation, and that was bringing me to the request to clarify a few things.
Je vous pose la question en français. Dans quel but demandez-vous une audience des directeurs du Ritz?
Je ne demande pas une audience. J'ai demandé que les directeurs du Ritz soient entendus par le juge d'instruction pour faire toute la lumière sur un certain nombre de points qui sont encore obscurs Et à ma connaissance, cela devrait être le cas dans le courant du mois de juillet.
Est-ce qu'il y a d'autres personnes qui peuvent être entendues par le juge Stéphane et qui auraient été responsables? Attention, vous avez mis la main sur votre micro. Est-ce qu'il y a d'autres personnes que vous souhaitez que le juge entende dans ce cas?
Écoutez, pour le moment, je n'ai demandé que l'audition des directeurs du RITS. Nous verrons si il faut que d'autres gens soient entendus ultérieurement. Pour le moment, j'ai limité ma demande à ceci.
Donc, par exemple, les responsables de l'entreprise qui a loué la voiture au Ritz n'est pas pour le moment concerné?
Pas pour le moment.
Mais c'est une possibilité.
Je ne sais pas, nous verrons ultérieurement si l'enquête nécessite qu'il soit entendu. Nous verrons, pour le moment, je ne l'ai pas demandé.
Comment expliquez-vous que la police, est-ce que les rapports de police, l'enquête de la police n'a pas été suffisante? Est-ce que, pour que vous demandiez à ce que ces dirigeants du RIT soient à nouveau entendus?
Vous savez, les avocats ont toujours la possibilité de faire des demandes d'actes. Ça ne met pas du tout en cause le travail de la police. C'est simplement que nous avons pensé que certains points devaient être clarifiés, qu'ils n'avaient pas été. Ça n'a strictement rien à voir avec le travail de la police.
So the answer from Judge Stefan is, has your request received a favorable answer?
It has not been refused yet.
Which tends to mean yes.
I don't know. It has not been refused today.
Could we go back to the pressures you mentioned? Who is exerting them and who on? It wasn't quite clear to me what these pressures referred to.
Well, apparently some employees of the Ritz have been pressured, and we have to find out whether this is true or not.
Pressured to
say things, and we'll have to find out if this is right.
This would be like false testimony, or
You say that.
Mm-hmm.
Could you just, in a nutshell, tell us what you're basing your request for the auditions of the directors of the Ritz on? What information led you to believe that you need further information on this?
Well, 4,000 pages of an investigation led me to think that.
Je peux me permettre de vous demander de me donner la réponse avec les plusieurs éléments d'information que vous venez de nous donner? Simplement une phrase, j'ai besoin d'entendre
En français?
en anglais si c'est possible. Just give us a...
Well, it's really the whole comparison of all the statements and of declarations of witnesses and other people who led me to think that we had to ask them for more information. It's nothing particularly obvious, it's only the addition of numerous little facts.
And is it to you a surprise that there has been that this has been left so late in the investigation, or is it usual that the Ritz was involved since the beginning? Why haven't they come forward with more information, or why haven't people gone to them for more information?
Well, whether I was surprised or not is not really relevant to the investigation, I think.
But why is it that there hasn't been more information given by the Ritz?
I have no idea. This is what we have to find out.
You're looking for something quite specific, or you have an idea of what you're looking for? Can you explain to us what kind of line of questioning you took?
Je suis désolé, mais c'est le micro qui touche sans arrêt le papier et ça fait des...
Bon.
Et c'est... ouais, pour le son, c'est... Ouais, c'est pas possible.
Can you tell us what line of questioning are you looking for? What are you trying to seek as far as information?
I told you I'm only looking for the truth and what exactly happened. I'm not looking for any specific information. I'm not looking for any specific answer. I'm looking for the truth, and I'm want to know exactly what happened and what has been done or not done.
Is your client going to come and give another statement to the Judge Stefan?
I think he plans to come after Mr. Wingfield came to give his own comments on the facts.
And is it because Trevor Rees Jones has further information? He was able to remember further information? Is there a development?
It's only because he wants to comment on Mr. Wingfield's statements.
Mr. Wingfield's statements are known to the public, or are they for the moment in the investigation?
They won't be known. It's the secrecy of the investigation.
What the directors of the Ritz, have you been in touch with them directly?
I cannot be in touch with the directors of the Ritz. As witnesses, I cannot have any contact with them, and I did not seek it.
Was the Judge Stefan surprised or interested in the information, or the fact that you were seeking further information from the directors of the Ritz? Was that?
Didn't tell me.
The company that was hired by the Ritz is the company that seems to be the grayest area so far, what we've been able to know and what we've been able to read from our colleagues. Or do you believe that they have a responsibility that so far hasn't been shown?
You mean which company?
The limousine, the company from which the car was rented.
I have no idea.
J'essaie de... J'ai besoin des réponses des honneurs qui se tiennent. J'ai besoin, s'il serait possible, de nous résumer là plus d'informations que celles que vous m'avez déjà données. Parce que je pense que vous ne savez pas m'en donner plus, mais j'ai besoin, si vous comprenez ce que je veux dire, c'est il faut un peu le sujet de la raison de votre demande et où est-ce que vous en êtes. Pourquoi avez-vous demandé une demande d'information supplémentaire auprès du juge?
L'enquête en cours est quasiment terminée en ce qui concerne les photographes. Dans la mesure où il entre dans le champ de l'enquête du juge d'instruction d'examiner la totalité des faits objet de son enquête, eh bien, il m'a semblé qu'un certain nombre de points concernant l'éventuelle responsabilité du Ritz devaient être clarifiés.
Et ceci après d'informations supplémentaires que vous avez pu obtenir, ou au vu de l'enquête?
Au vu de la totalité de ce qui est versé dans le dossier, il y a encore des choses à déterminer.
Donc ce serait plutôt est-ce que, par exemple pour les photographes, est-ce que la responsabilité des photographes, est-ce qu'on a établi que la responsabilité des photographes était... est-ce qu'on a trouvé que la responsabilité des photographes n'était pas engagée dans l'accident mortel
Ça n'est pas à moi de décider si la responsabilité des photographes est certaine ou évidente, ou s'ils doivent faire l'objet d'un non-lieu, ou s'ils doivent être renvoyés devant un tribunal. Ça n'est pas à moi à en décider.
Le fait que votre client va revenir rencontrer le juge Stefan, et dans quel but?
Mon client souhaite faire son propre commentaire des positions qui seront faites par M. Wingfield.
Apparemment, le maître Kiechman, lors de la confrontation, et je me permets de mettre ça entre guillemets, aurait dit quelque chose qui tendrait à faire porter la responsabilité aux gardes du corps, qui n'auraient pas fait totalement leur travail.
Bon, je pense qu'effectivement, il est dans l'intérêt du Ritz de faire en sorte que les autres parties à la procédure soient éventuellement responsables. C'est une simple mesure de protection.
Est-ce que s'il y a des éléments qui tendent à montrer la responsabilité du Ritz, vous allez alors engager une procédure pour intenter un procès contre eux et mettre en...
Vous allez vite en besogne, je ne sais pas, nous verrons.
D'accord. Ok. Se parler, c'est simplement pour avoir des images, pour pouvoir monter entre les sonores qui nous permettent de...
Oui.
C'est comme quand les correspondants demandent à faire un...
Là, il n'y en a que 11 et c'est déjà un problème, et il faut absolument qu'on arrive à mettre tout ça sur
disquette ou sur ordinateur.
Bien
Voilà.
sûr.
Puis si vous avez un CD-ROM avec un peu d'habilité, vous pouvez introduire des éléments dedans qui faussent finalement la totalité
Mm.
des...
Drôle, quoi. C'est un côté assez amusant de voir. On est au palais de justice, le va-et-vient de papier qui passe.